Ano, maurag ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming batid. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance,
will be. What we believe.
College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
The future's in our hands.
College of Health Sciences,
The best is yet to come.
College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
I get a bomb in his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, mahorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
It's rainy Saturday everyone, meaning it's Oragon Basketball League Day at ngayong hapon po live na live po muli tayo dito of Covered Court para maghatid po sa inyo ng maaaksyong laban. Of course, our first game, it will be USI FALCONS versus UNC-TRIFIT at kami po ang makakasama nyo para magbigay po sa inyo ng aksyon ngayong hapon na ito. Ako po, si Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, team, talagang nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt para masaksiyan ulit ang napakagandang mga games dito sa Oragon Basketball Elavil Cup. Again, live na live po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, Oragon Basketball League Facebook page at GNN TV 48 Naga. So yun nga, it's UNC-TRIFIT versus the USA Falcons. So sino ang makakakuha ng una nilang panalo dito sa ligang ito, because on their previous game talagang medyo kinapos dito itong dalawang kupunan na ito, but at this moment key players on their side, we have Batyan Sela na napakaganda when it comes to outside shooting, and of course Caronan, their team captain. Let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng magandang communication itong mga players ng UNC-TRIFIT together with their head coach, Coach Piggy, na I'm sure dito sa araw na ito isisigurado na mapapasa kanila ang unang win dito sa ating unang match sa OBL Elavil Cup. So yun, let's see as this game progresses kung ang UNC-TRIFIT ba magkakaroon ng magandang simula from the start of our first quarter up until the end. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. And of course, we have our two courtside.
Start of the game, he reminds the team to stick with the system, follow the game plan, and always put the defense first before the offense. And of course, be humble always inside the court. Yan muna ang